This is the 3D printing shop.
Artlist.io.
I just got an email saying my 3D print is available for pickup, and that's the stand, the Mac Mini stand button. Don't
Music
worry, I'll show you.
licensing reimagined.
All right, so this is where I work. This is the family hall at the University of North Dakota, but I do have to go pick up at the Chester Fritz Library. So it's just across, across the street. But yeah, that's the Chester Fritz Library. And yeah, we're going to pick up right there.
Artlist.io.
Alright, Chester Fritz Library.
Music licensing reimagined.
Alright, so as you can see, UIT offers 3D printing services, and you just have to pay a small fee. And yeah, this is the desk, and this is the 3D printing shop. Hey, Josh, right?
No,
Brendan?
Yeah.
Alright, sorry, I'm like recording right now. Just trying to show some 3D printing stuff for my YouTube channel, if you don't mind. Oh, do you mind? Alright, thanks.
Music licensing.
Alright, so yeah, obviously some 3D printing stuff going on here. Different types of printers. So if you're at the University of North Dakota or you're out, planning to come here, there's a whole bunch of 3D printing service available here. Okay, alright, can you open it again, please? Alright, yeah, so this is the stand, and of course I'm gonna be, putting this together and showing you guys how it works. Alright.
You want me to act normal or like look at the camera?
Act normal, bro.
Music licensing.
I mean, you can look at the camera too if you want. It's gonna be B-roll, so I mean, you can wave, I guess, if you want to. All right, and Ethan.